tables of 2 we had completed. 2 is given here. Again we will do it. 2 is given. So 1 sets of 2, that is we had done 2 ones are 2. Again 2 times 2 is given 1 and 2. So 2 sets of 2, that is 2 twos are 4 has been given. Again 1 2 3 means 3 time has been given. 3 sets of 2, that is 3 twos are 6. Again 1 2 3 4. How many times given? 4 sets of 2. 2 fours are 8. Like this. Again here 1 2 3 4 5. How many times 2 has been given? 5 times. So 5 sets of 2, that is 2 fives are 10. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times is given. So 6 sets of 2, that is 2 6 are 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many times? 7 times. 7 sets of 2, that is 2 sevens are 14. Again here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Done. 8 sets of 2. How many times 2 has been written? 8 times. So 2 8s are 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How many times 2 has been given? 9 times. So 9 sets of 2, that is 2 9s are 18. Done. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 sets of 2. 10 twos are 20. So here we can see this is the addition of 2. How many times it has been added to the number 2, that you can write in multiple form, that is in tables form. So here the tables of 2 has been given. Same as tables of 7. Here the tables of 7 is there. Here the tables of 8 is there. Tables of 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So today you will write tables from 2 to 10 like this form by adding, and how many times we are adding to the set. Correct? So from 2 to 10 you will write today. Okay? Now we will do complete the following in boxes. See here. If you know the tables, then it is very easy for you. See, 2 3s are. 2 3s are. What 2 3s are? We'll speak the tables of 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So here we'll write 6. Done. 2 7s are. What will come? 2 7s are 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. Again 3 1s are 3. 4s are 3. 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 6s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are, here it is 21. 3 9s are 27. Same as here. 5 7s are. 5 7s are will be 35. 5 9s are, we have to speak the tables of 5. 5 9s are 45. Here 6 2s are. 6 2s are will be 12. 6 4s are. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 6 are. 6 6 are will be 36. Next 8 2s are. 8 2s are will be 16. 8 twos are 16. 8 fives are 5 eights are 40. 8 fives are 40. 8 sevens are will be 56. 8 nines are 72 and 8 tens are will be 80. See, same as here also you have to do it. 3 tens are will be 30. 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are will be 12. 4 threes are will be 12. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are will be 32. 4 nines are will be 36. 4 tens are 40. Here 5 threes are. See here, if you will make this chart, it will be easy for you. 5 threes are 15. You can do directly. 5 threes are 15. 6 sevens are will be 42. 6 nines are 54. 7 ones are will be 7. 7 threes are 21. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 eights are. See here, if you will make this chart, then also it is very easy. We have to see the 7 tables of 7 and 6. 1, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 3, 7 4, 7 5, 7 6 is 42. 7 8. 7 eights are 56. So we can write from table this chart also. 7 tens are 70. Done. Next is 9. 9 threes are. See, again come back to the table chart of the 9. 9 threes are. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 sevens are. 9 sevens are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. 9 nines are again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 nines are 81. So we can write here 81. Now 10 ones are. 10 threes are will be 30. Done. It's a very easy. 10 threes are 30. 10 fives are 50. 10 fives are is 50. 10 eights are. 10 eights are will be 80. 10 nines are 90.